Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this question, what we are supposed to do is we need to add the first and last element of a list, right? So that's pretty easy. So 1 and 5 should be added. So we just need to get two of them and then add them up, right? So what we can do is just to return and then numbers, uh, then just do this plus numbers and then -1. Okay, so that should do the job. Okay, so 0 will get the first element, -1 would get the last element, however big the list is, however small the list is. Okay, so it works over here, and then let's just submit the code first of all, then only I think we can click on the test cases. Okay, clicking on it. Okay, yeah, it's working for the negative numbers as well, right? Okay, it's working for the negative number as well. And then, yep, expected results is that 15. Okay, for two of them also it's working. For this also it's working. For the normal one is also working. Great. What about other people's solution for this particular problem? Okay, other people have done something similar. Okay, great, great, great. All right, something similar, something similar. What about this? It's checking if it is numbers or not. So if not numbers, so it's checking for empty cases as well. Okay, great. And then after that, if it is len is 1, we just get the number 0. That's not required in my opinion, because this should work if it is 1 as well. This case is not required. Okay, but it's a good one, right? It's checking for the data type as well, because since it's a dynamically typed language, right? Okay, so that's how we solve this particular question. Thank you for your time. Take care.